Today we're going to clean our wood stove. We're going to clean the glass, and it's warm, but it's not hot. That's the important thing. A little bit of a warm stove helps draft some of the dust up the flue, keeps your house a little cleaner. And it's been open, the fan's still running, it's still warm enough to run the fan. Probably be nice if I unplug that just to keep the dust from going everywhere. We got quite a bit of ash in here, and the window's warm, but you can touch it very comfortably. So the first thing we want to do is brush off some of the loose ashes, and I just try to brush it into the pan and minimize the mess. Snow in my bucket there. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of just water, and we're going to squirt, and this is why you don't want to do it when it's hot. We're going to squirt down the window and just let it set. While it's setting, we're going to take our ash pan and we're going to clean our ashes out of our stove. Towel. We're going to get the paper towel wet, a little bit, not super wet. We're going to take some of these ashes. We're going to scrub the glass with ash. Ash and a little bit of water. Look at the And the water on the paper towel is what makes the ash stick to it. This part of the wood stoves are a lot of work. They're a lot of a mess. You see the ashes on top of the stove. There's no real way around that. Some ash on there. So it looks like the stove's clean and ready for the next fire. Pretty good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.